Let's say, for example, I have a time-lapse collection of images, and what I want to do is I want to see a preview of how the range of images or image sequence plays out as I keep them together. In that case, what I can do is I can stack them together, make a collection first. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto my YouTube drive right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto, let's say, for example, the hyperlapse folder. So if I were to go around inside, you can see that I got these right here, just like this. So now what I can simply do is, let's say, for example, select this particular image, and I'm going to go around over here and select till here, let's say, for example, and I'm simply going to go around and make it into a collection. So I'm simply going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around over here and make it a collection. So I'm going to make it a stack and group it as a stack right here, just like this. So you can see that this is the group of stack that I have. So I can see the play button right here. And for the play button to appear, you need to have the right size of the thumbnail. So you really need to go ahead and zoom it in, as you can see right here. And you can see this play button right here. So now what you can do with this collection is you can go ahead and change around its a frame rate. So on the stack, you can go around onto frame rate and choose the frame rate that you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to select 24. You can also go around onto stack and go to frame rate, and you can choose, let's say, 24 right here as well. Press the play button just like this, and you can see that you got this stack right here. You can also click and drag this out and see how this preview actually works. So you can see that there's 89 items right here, just like this. Press the play button, and you can see that this becomes a time lapse right here, just like this. It is still loading out the images in the preview right here, just like this. And it does take a bit of time to go and, let's say, process it out right here. So you can see that it simply went around, and now you can see that this is how it actually plays out. And you can see how the time lapse actually goes ahead and then plays out right here. So you can see that you can scrub this around and see the preview on how it looks. And that is how you can stack images together and preview them frame by frame in a playback inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.